Wow, can I get your portrait?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, is it
long?
60 seconds.
Okay, so if you're apprehensive about taking street portraits or scared out of your wits of approaching people on the street asking if you can take their photograph, I've got a secret for you. It's going to change everything. It's a great tip, guys, so strap yourselves in. Let's get in the character.
Turn left.
Right, so the tip's coming, guys, I promise. But let me ask you this first. What is it that stops you from taking the kind of street portraits or street photography that you want to take, that you aspire to take? Have a think about it.
Hey man, I'm recording you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you, Victor. How you doing, man?
I'm fine.
Good, good.
London.
Nice to meet you.
Wow, can I get your portrait?
Okay, so what is it? What's stopping you? What's stopping you from getting those frames you aspire to? Like for some people, even stopping someone, slowing someone down, taking their time and asking them if they'd be willing to have their photograph taken, it's a real challenge. And that's fine. I mean, it takes practice. But what's holding you back? My feeling is, it's the fear of rejection, the fear of failure. Well, here's the secret. You have to look for no's, invite no's. It's fine if people say no. Look at it like this. The more no's you get, statistically, you're closer to a yes.
Yeah, is it
long?
60 seconds. Yeah, I'll send it to you. How about just here? Where's the light? So just here, where I'm standing, yeah? Love the beard, man.
Looking in the camera? Or?
Yeah. I'll get a few clicks for you. You'll love the portrait, man, I promise. If you just hold this,
Okay.
just here. No, just like that, but look into the camera. Just turn this way slightly, and then I'll let you go, I promise. Because the light, here we go, that's better. And then into the camera. What's your name, man? Murray. I'm so rude. Murray.
Yeah, of course.
One more. If you stand against this backdrop, this is a cool shot as well, actually. Oh, that's a cool shot, got it. Street thief, and there's an underscore between each word. _street_thief. And then I'll send you it, probably be tomorrow or the next day. If you message me. Man,
What's your name, Mr.
I'm Gary. Man, thank you so much. I appreciate that, Murray. Thanks, buddy. What's your name? Wally, hold up, mate. This guy here, he has the most amazing face. Over here, up here, what's his name? Name? I'm Gary.
Florine.
Florine. Oh man, thank you so much. So I can bounce the light back like this. Hold up. This is like this. One more. Man, thank you. Thank you, man, so much. I want this light. Got a great shot of you, mate, on your bike, if you want it. Look it up, you miserable sod.
You know, when we're first shooting portraits, street portraits, it's almost like the most we can hope for is to get snapshots. You know, they're those where we just stop someone in the street, ask them if we can take their photographs, and we click, and then that's it. There's very little creativity involved, right? To get the kind of photographs that are going to stand out from the crowd, I think we need to push it. We need to be doing more than that. The reason we don't push it is because I think it's that fear of rejection. We don't want to take up too much of the person's time. They've already been kind enough to stop for us. But to get the kind of photographs, the street portraits that are really going to shine, we have to manipulate the scene, the backdrop. We have to maneuver the person we're shooting into the best light. All of these things, I understand, take time. They take up more time. And what happens with people when they're first practicing this is that they're in that fight or flight state where they're hurrying themselves because they don't want to be a burden, and they just want to get it over and done with. So you have to bring awareness into what's going on inside you, how you're feeling. When you're aware of what's going on, aware of that fear, that urge to move on, then you have a choice. If you're not aware of it, you just don't have a choice. You're just the effect of all of that stuff, all of those feelings. Bring that awareness into play, and to reiterate, the secret is it's fine for people to say no. Accumulate lots of no's. Like I said, the more no's you get, you're closer to a yes. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts. Are you enjoying the videos? Leave a comment. Any videos you'd like to see in the future, stuff I've covered maybe briefly you'd like me to elaborate on. See you on the next video.
That was nice light.
Yeah. I said, I'll give you the shot. He said, no. No.
I mean, it's sunny day in November. What reasons not to be smiley today?